I'll show you how you can write your name onto your Roblox avatar. So from the Roblox Creator Hub here, you want to first go to a documentation for classic clothing, right? So we're gonna write actually onto our Roblox shirt here, right? Now, the documentation I'm doing is called create.roblox.com talks art classic clothing, and you want to scroll down and you want to find the link for the template, right? So it'll look like this. This is the template for the shirt we're gonna use. So for example, we have to download and unzip the following clothing templates here. I already have it downloaded here. Now on the folder here, I'm just gonna right click and I'm gonna click on show more option and I'm gonna extract this real quick. Now on this extracted one, I'm gonna go to the shirts option here, right? So this is what the template will look like. Now you're actually gonna draw on this shirt here, right? So for example here, the front of it says front, right? So it says front here, right? Now I'm just going to edit this, right? For example, I'm gonna open this in Photoshop real quick. Now, once I've opened this on Photoshop here, for example, now I'm just going to, first off, I'm gonna block out of this out. So I'm just gonna eye drop tool here and I'm gonna literally draw over it. So first off, let me pick a new brush first. Let me pick a brush like this. I'm gonna block out the front section here, right? So there's no front text anymore, right? So no front text like this. Now don't mind this, the 3D model on the side of it here. It doesn't actually mean anything. Now, first off, you want to go to the text. So for example, if my username is called like example name, I'm just gonna write this out. Example name like this, right? So that's my username, example name, and it's gonna be on my Roblox name right here, right? Now let me just make this a little bit bigger here. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, just like this, right? And I'm just gonna put it like this. Now that's it. Now we have our name and our template set up, right? Now that's the shirt we're gonna do. So for example, here is the username, right? Now let me just export this real quick. By the way, you don't have to use Photoshop. Any kind of editing software you have will be able to do. Let me export this real quick. Now, once you export it, let's go back to create.roblox.com here. Now, on create.roblox.com here, you want to go to creations. On creations, you want to go to avatar items. On avatar items, you want to go to classics. On classics, you want to click on upload asset. And then on upload assets here, I'm just going to name this name, right? And I'm going to upload my actual PNG earlier. So let me just upload this real quick. There you go. You see, I've uploaded it just like that. And then just click on upload. And that's it. You have now a couple of prerequisite ready for the classic one here, right? You can see it's going to be approved here. So that's it. That's how you can write your avatar name on your Roblox avatar. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.